Number 4. Which equation represents the vertical line passing through the point 7, negative 1? So in order to answer this question, we're going to quickly just remember what a vertical line looks like when we graph it on the coordinate plane. So I don't need anything special, but if I just sketch a quick XY axis on the side here, and again, I'm not too worried about it being neat and perfect. I just want to make up, hey, let's see, if I go to this point, 7, negative 1, so that would be 7 on the X, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, negative 1 on the Y. They're telling me there's a point right here, and it has a vertical line going through it. Well, I know vertical means straight up and down, so if I draw my line straight up and down through that point, it should look something like that. So visually, this just reminds me that vertical lines always cross through the x-axis, which means that to write their equation, all I do is write x equals wherever it crosses the x-axis. So I know that just from looking at the coordinates of my point, 7, negative 1, and I remember here's my x value, here's my y value. That x value is the rest of my equation. X equals 7 would be the equation of this vertical line. So a couple things to be careful of when you look at the other choices. Pretty obvious mistakes would be thinking that your vertical line is written as y equals negative 1, because that's the y value in the point, but that would not be correct. That would be the equation of a horizontal line going through that point. B is close to the correct answer, except that they have y equals 7, not x equals 7. So we don't want to make that mistake because we can see the x coordinate is 7, so we wouldn't write y equals 7. Choice C, they say x equals negative 1. Well, in this case, somebody might remember that vertical lines are written as x equals, but they chose the wrong coordinate value of negative 1. That's the y value. And then in D, this person decided to write x plus y equals 7, and that's just not correct. We use either x or y for vertical and horizontal lines. So again, this vertical line is x equals 7.